And let's see the result. Whoa, even that guy is like swaying his hips, like trying to be on balance. That's absolutely incredible. Okay, so RunwayML have recently released a new feature that allows you to independently animate certain parts of the image. Now, let me show you what I mean, but before I do, I created this prompt within Midjourney. It's a cinematic prompt, and there's a lot to it. Of course, it's very long. I'll link a card above that shows you how to create prompts like these time and time again. Hopefully that will help you. But anyways, let's get into the video. So what you want to do is click on text/image to video. Once you're there, you'll be presented with these three options here. Then we simply upload a file. Once that's uploaded, then we click on motion brush, and then we start to highlight certain parts of the image that we want to be moved or to be animated. So they got 5 brushes here, so I'm just going to start with this brush here. Highlight him as best as I can, or you don't need to be that accurate. That's what it says when you first click on it. So let's just see what happens. And we're trying to create like a Hollywood type of scene. So whenever you see any kind of chase sequence, you will often notice that the subject in front of us is moving in one direction. Meanwhile, the object, or I guess the assassins in this case, they'll be moving in another direction. So it'll be like this kind of thing, right? So we're trying to create that kind of motion there with this. So let's go to brush 2 now. So these people will be moving in the opposite direction, trying to overtake this vehicle. And then this car will be moving along with John Wick, the same direction there. So let's do that. Highlight that vehicle. Now I can begin to tailor each specific brush. We want that to be across about 5. Yeah, I'm just going to see 5. Vertically, nothing really. I don't want anything to happen vertically. The brush 2, I want that to move to the left about 5 as well, or maybe slightly actually, because it's a narrower part of the road. So let's say like minus 2.5. And then the proximity, interesting. We'll deal with the proximity later. Although actually, no, I want him to be a bit more prominent. It's like as if he's gaining speed behind John Wick. So that's that. And then this car here, let's do a bit more there, right? So this car here, I want this to, actually, let's go back to brush 2. We want him to move to the left, yeah? And then we want this car to move to the right. So let's just do the horizontal movement first. So that will go to the right. That's about 4. Let's see, about 4. And then the proximity as well should be a little bit more increased, but not as much as the bike, because it is in front of the bike behind. And that's 4. That's 2. And to the right of 4, that is to the right of 5. Interesting. So okay, you got 3 different types of movement there. So now let's see what happens. This is my first time trying this, so don't expect amazing results, but let's see what happens regardless. And let's see the result. Whoa, even that guy is like swaying his hips, like trying to be on balance. That's absolutely incredible. Wow. And the pedestrians are walking as well. Wow, that is absolutely mad. The only thing that is a little frustrating is that, of course, that bike merges into the car and then that kind of appears out of nowhere as well. That's the only annoying part, but everything else has done a tremendous job of. It really has. And he really changes the appearance, that guy. I don't know. He almost like changes nationality as well. Really fascinating. So now if we added some left horizontal movement to this, because as you can see right now, it's very much fixed, right? It was as good as it looks, it's quite fixed, right? So if we add some little bit of movement to the left, I think it'd really help bring it to life. So let's do that. Go here, horizontal. Let's do like 3.5. See, hopefully that works. And yeah, I think that would be good. And maybe do a zoom as well, a little zoom out of like 2.5 as well. Now let's generate. Whoa, it's a shame, it's a real shame that it's only 4 seconds long, because I would have loved to have seen this motorbike overtake that car. That would have been so awesome. Wow, that's incredible. So yeah, that's a little bit about multi-motion brush. I didn't want to go too long because, of course, I've only got a finite amount of seconds left. Thanks for watching. I've been Vay. Until next time, peace.